Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So what you see here is a bath fan, and it is connected into the plumbing vent. So this is a 3-inch sewer vent. We have a vent off for the kitchen, and this was, I don't know what it was for at some point. Anyways, the problem here is that this bath fan is open to sewer gas in the vent, so sewer gas can come back down the bath fan. So besides having a smell, you can potentially blow yourself up because you have methane gas coming into the house. I mean, this will technically work, but this is not allowed. You never pass. I'm going to talk to the homeowner about putting in a vent separately to change what this has been done like this, and then we'll go from there. But in a nutshell, if you smell sewer gas in your bathroom, and your bathroom's upstairs, it might be this issue right here, that the vent for the bath fan is connected into the sewer vent for the plumbing system. If you find something like this, make sure that you change it sooner rather than later. Guys, that's your quick tip of the week.